let's go into fetal circulation a little bit. So umbilical arteries, which direction do they go in? Well, the umbilical arteries, they go away from baby's heart and towards the placenta. Guys, anytime I say the word umbilical, you should say baby's heart. Umbilical? Yeah. Okay, so you know what an artery does. How about this? Baby's heart and artery. Oh, got it. Baby's heart and artery. Got it. It goes away from the baby's heart. Umbilical arteries go away from the baby's heart, whereas umbilical veins go towards the baby's heart. Okay, so I gave you the answer here, towards the baby's heart and away from the placenta. Cool? Remember, the placenta is the oxygenating organ for the baby. It's so beautiful how it works. Umbilical arteries postnatally become the medial umbilical ligament. Umbilical, medial, like, right? Umbilical arteries become the medial umbilical ligaments. Do you guys see now, after a couple slides, how I'm asking these questions, how integrative it is? I know, it's kind of like frustrating to be like, oh my gosh, she's not following first aid. But guess what? USMLE isn't going to be following first aid either. And rapidly review all of these things. So let's keep going. Fetal blood, as it comes out of the placenta, fetal blood, as it comes out of the placenta via what? The umbilical vein or artery, vein or artery? Vein. Fetal blood, as it comes out of the placenta via the umbilical vein, is going to bypass the liver through what structure? It's going to be the ductus venosus. The ductus venosus. It's going to be like, yo, can I go to the liver? Let's go to the ductus venosus. Postnatally, what is this ductus venosus going to become? The ligamentum venosum. Now, you've bypassed the liver. Now the blood is coming up the inferior vena cava, and it's going to plop into the right atrium. This is kind of like those choose your adventure stories back in middle school and a little bit of elementary school. From the right atrium, the blood can go one of two directions. Either it can go through the foraminal valley into the left atrium, or it can go from the right atrium down to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, normally, where is blood going to go? From the right ventricle, normally, where is blood going to go? Pulmonary arteries, exactly, pulmonary arteries, right? So what is the shunt from the right outflow tract to the aorta, to the aorta? What is that going to be called? Ductus arteriosus, exactly. From the right outflow tract to the aorta. I apologize for the typo. The ductus arteriosus is going to be that structure, and postnatally, that's going to become the ligamentum arteriosum.